Hey guys, we're here in Straub Technologies. Billy Fisher has prepared this cylinder head for the flame hoops. We're doing the Engine Performance Expo. I really encourage you guys to get online, check that thing out. Tons of information here. But I want you to check out this deck surface finish. Look at the reflection of my finger in there. We measured this thing, it's a 7RA. This is just their standard, normal operating deck surface finish. A 7RA on this Rottler equipment. That's impressive. Also, Billy's got this flame hoop here that he's putting into the cylinder head. So with our Copper Head Gaskets, typically you've got to O-ring them with the Pro Copper, with the Titan, and traditionally you'd have a stainless annealed wire that you're going to be tapping in. You'd trim it to size, located near a bolt hole. Then you're going to file fit that thing and butt it together. Well, that's great. Oops, I file fit it too much. Now I got a gap. Rip it out, do it again. Well, with this thing, we just put this ring in. It is a press fit. You do have to tap this in, but then it's seated. It's seated in the aluminum. And then this will push against the copper, shoving the copper into a receiver groove into the block. Now think about the pressure of that receiver groove. When we're pushing copper down into it, copper doesn't compress. It's a solid material, so we're displacing molecules. So if we're taking this fire ring and it's shoving the copper down into a receiving groove, think about the pressure that receiving groove is having. So we want that receiving groove in an iron deck. That way it captures it and it maintains nice, sharp profiles. But check out this RA finish. I can't get over a 7RA on a cylinder head. I mean, that's only half the story. He still has to check for waviness, and that cannot be seen by the eye. Don't trick yourself and think that you can see that because of a rainbow effect or light or anything like that. You really need to get the proper metrology equipment, profilometer, a skidless profilometer, Mark Malberg, and his company did Digital Metrology. They've got a whole book on it. They'll teach you about it. They got videos. Check those guys out. That can really up your craft so that you too can have standard operating procedures of deck finishes looking like this.